it's Dom, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang video plus Q&A. So yung food natin is new business ng aking sister and my brother-in-law. So it's called Boodle in a box. So I'll show you what's inside. Buksan natin. So yeah, let's do this. Without further ado, let's begin! So, pakita ko sa inyo yung loob, guys. So, ayan. Wow! Medyo na ano siya. Yan. So, I have mussels. I think lechong kawali. Talong, okra, cucumber, salted egg, and barbecue. And then I have three kind of sauce here. So I'll show it to you guys. So I have bagoong. And then I have Mang Tomas. And then the special sauce for barbecue. So yeah, so it's a new business of my sister and my brother-in-law. So I'm gonna put the screenshot of their Facebook, Instagram, Boodle in a box. So let's try it, and then I'll tell you my opinion after I eat this. But first, when it comes to the presentation, perfect. I like it. So very convenient now that you guys are can't eat outside because all the restaurants are only taking takeout right now. Here in Toronto, I think in Durham region, if you live here in Toronto, Durham region, the restaurants are still open, but here in my location, they're closed, only takeout. So I'm gonna eat now, and then I'll do the question while I'm eating. So let's begin. So I'm gonna eat first, so and then basahin ko yung mga questions. I'll read the questions. So my first question is coming from Kuya Ray from my YouTube family, Team Ilocano. So I'm gonna put his YouTube channel in the screen, somewhere in the screen. So I'm gonna start eating now while I answer the question. So the first question is, paano kayo nagkakilala ng hobby mo? So to my friends or sa mga viewers ko na hindi pa alam kung paano ko nakilala yung asawa ko, nakilala ko siya sa work. We were working at Tim Hortons back in 2013. That's where I met him. At first, yeah, I didn't like him. So, only like friends lang yung tingin ko sa kanya. Only friends. But then na-develop yung feelings. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna try the lechong kawali. Crap. Yummy. Now, I'm gonna taste the mussels. This is my favorite, the mussels. Like, whenever I'm eating at Captain's Boil, I eat Captain's Boil. Tama ba? Mussels, this is my favorite. I don't know. It's really my favorite. Second question. Ano ang pinakamahirap na desisyon na ginawa mo sa buong buhay mo? Ano nga ba? I think ang pinakamahirap na sa akin is yung lagi naman mahirap magdesisyon, pero yung right now, yung pinaka mahirap right now, yung talaga medyo recently is yung nag-decide ako na pag mag-virtual school yung anak ko, like online school. Yun. Grabe, ang sarap. Buti na lang nag-diet ako today. Talagang diet. Alam nyo, pag isang ina na kayo, talagang mahirap mag-decision, guys. Kasi you only want what's best for your child or children. So now, barbecue. Wait lang, kuha lang ako ng drink. Okay, next question. What is the greatest lesson you have learned in your life that you could pass to Andrea, my daughter? So this question is from Kim Lumbre, my friend from college who lives now in Nova Scotia. I think the greatest lesson in life that I learned that I can pass to my daughter is no matter what's your status in life, always be grateful for what you have and always be kind. Because you'll never know if may pinagdadaanan ang bawat taong nakakasalubong mo or nakakausap mo everyday. So, always be kind and always be grateful. Yun. So, I'm drinking Diet Pepsi right now. Masarap siya pag nagkakamayan ka, BOODLE, tapos daming yelo. Sarap, diba? So now I have okra. So ito yung sasawsaw mo sa bagoong. So now I'm gonna try the eggplant. Para siya yung purplish. So next question, still from Kim Lumbre, my friend. What impression do you think you give when you first meet someone? Honestly, like from sa mga friends ko now, to some of my friends now, at first they said they thought I'm a snob, masungit. That's mostly like the first impressions that I got from my friends before I became their friend. But I don't know, and then they're gonna say I'm so friendly pala. So yeah, that's it. Grabe, sarap ng itlog na maalat, guys. I haven't matagal ko na siyang hindi nakain. I haven't eaten this for a long time. Itlog na maalat, salted egg. Grabe. Sis, to my Ate Jetta, you're such a good cook. Aww. Next question is from my friend from St. John, Jenny Rose, my co-worker too at TBM. So her question is, do you think there should be a line where you can help your family? For me, as long as I can help my family, there will be no line. I mean, siguro, if I don't like someone, if someone borrows money from me, and I don't have enough money, I think that's when that's when I can't help them if I don't have what they need. Parang ganon. But aside from any reason or how, I will always help my family as long as I can. You know what, guys? Grabe, ang sarap niya. Hindi dahil kapatid ko siya, pero alam mo yung lahat malinamnam. Actually, pag may reklamo, sasabihin ko talaga. Pero masarap siya. Yung lechon kawali, magaling magluto asawa ko nito. Pero masarap din yung sa kapatid ko. Grabe, sulit, very affordable. So, pag in-screenshot ko yung mga page nila dito, check nyo yung menu nila. Menu. Kasi, the price is very affordable. Tapos, ang dami na niya. At itong pinili ko is set 1. It's good for 1 to 2 people. So, yeah. But meron pa silang ibang set. So, you guys check it out. Kasi grabe, ang daming option. Very, very, very masarap. I like it. Favorite ko kasi ang kamayan. Kaya, sabi ko sa sister ko, I will definitely try. Sorry. I will definitely try itong business niya. So, next question. Okay. So, it's still from Jenny. Okay lang ba na pagbayarin at sabihin ko na utang ito at kailangan magbayad? Ano? Okay lang ba na pagbayarin at sabihin ko na utang ito at kailangan magbayad sa akin kahit pamilya mo pa? Girl, dapat in English mo na lang. Medyo hindi ko siya nag-gets ng konti. Medyo magulo. Charot. Okay lang ba na pagbayarin at sabihin ko na utang ito at kailangan magbayad sa akin kahit pamilya mo pa? Ako, ang pananaw ko, pag utang, kailangan mong bayaran. Kahit ano pang relationship mo sa tao. Kasi, you'll never know kung pinaghirapan yan or nangangailangan din sila. Especially right now, pandemic. So, kailangan kahit pamilya mo pa or relative mo, pag utang, pay, diba? Minsan ako nga, late ako minsan magbayad ng utang. Minsan late ako magbayad ng utang kasi, syempre, sa hirap ng buhay, diba? Minsan, marami kang pera, minsan wala, minsan sakto lang. And then, kahit may savings ka, ayaw mong galawin minsan. Right? Next question coming from Jaisel Jimenez is, ano yung pinaka-worst lie na nasabi mo sa parents mo? I think ang pinaka-worst lie na nasabi ko na is, okay, fine, dahil kasal na naman ako, map, sorry po talaga, nagsisisihan ko po talaga siya, so sasabihin ko na po. Nung dalaga ako, sabi ko matutulog ako sa bahay ng friend ko, pero natulog talaga ako sa bahay ng jowa ko, which is yung asawa ko na ngayon. Kids, wag nung gagawin yun, and wag nung gagayahin. So, in-answer ko lang yung question, but it's really not a good thing to lie to your parents. Kasi in the future, pwede nyong sabihin na, sana pala, nakinig ako sa nanay ko. Kasi ako minsan, naiisip ko yon. Pero I'm happy now naman. Pero kids and sa mga teenagers dyan, don't ever lie to your parents. Something like that. Kasi, well, iba-iba naman ang tao, pero you'll never know what can happen. So, always listen to your parents. I know it's hard, pero ako, bilang naranasan ko na naging pasaway akong anak, listen to your parents. Kasi, they really know what's best for you guys. So, maraming question to si Giselle, pero kasi sabi ko, medyo out of boundary or kalokohan yung iba niyong question. Sige, piliin ko yung sa mga unang question mo. So, second question niya is, ano ang ginawa mong super stupid dahil sa ex mo? So, babe, sorry to my husband. I'm just gonna answer this question. Pero ginawa ko rin naman to sa asawa ko is, yung tumakas ako sa bahay at the middle of night para pumunta sa bahay ng jowa ko. As in, ano ba ginawa? Nag-food trip pa kami dun sa bahay ng jowa ko. Nung, kain, alam mo yung mga mangga, ganon, order, movie, Netflix. Yun. So parang, tapos hinanap ako ng ate ko, I felt so bad. So again, kids, huwag nung gagayahin dahil hindi siya maganda. And if, kunyari, marirewind ko lang yung time, I will definitely do the way na maayos at hindi tatakas at the middle of night kasi that is dangerous. Kasi pwede ka makamit ng mga dangerous people outside, yung mga adik-adik, yung nangingidnap, mga ganun. So, don't ever do that. Ito, I like this. So, my next question is coming from my bestie, cousin from the Philippines. Tobit clan siya. Sorry guys, ang sarap ng muscles. So her question is, first question niya is, sino ang ultimate 90s crush mo? So sa local, sa Philippines, ang ultimate crush ko is, sino nga bang ultimate crush ko? Sino nga ba, Tobs? Sino nga ba, Tobs? Sino nga bang ultimate 90s crush ko? Naalala ko sa mga... Ay! Ano ba? Sino nga bang ultimate 90s crush ko? Kaloka! Tatanungin niyo pa ba yun? Eh, nung namatay nga yung crush ko nung 90s, ultimate 90s crush ko, eh, gusto kong pumunta ng libing niya. Siyempre, the one and only, Rico yan! Grabe guys, nung namatay siya, I felt so sad. I felt so devastated. Na gusto ko siyang dalawin nun sa memorial niya. Grabe. Sarap, naubos na yung taho. Hala. My favorite. So, ayun, may barbecue pa tayo. So, grabe guys, sobrang sulit. Kasi, daming laman. Very sulit. Check nyo yung menu nila. Menu. Ginagawa mo! One of my favorite veggies, okra. Do you believe chivalry is dead? Tama ba pronunciation ko? I still believe na there are still good guys out there. So some are not, some, yeah. So, Toby, tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko dun sa question? Please let me know. So, next question is from my cousin, another cousin. She's from Singapore. She's a teacher. So, her question is, as a parent, how do you feel towards this pandemic affecting yung childhood ni Andrea, yung anak ko? I think, yung pinaka naapektuhan kay Andrea is yung pagpunta niya ng school. Kasi right now, she's doing virtual. And I think yun yung namimiss niya is yung mas natututo sana siya sa in-class kasi mas maganda yung actual. Pero dahil sa pandemic na to is naka-virtual siya, which is natututo pa rin siya. Gusto niya yung teacher niya and yung class niya. Pero alam niyo yung parang mas kasi iba yung pag wala yung magulang. I mean, nakikinig siya kahit nandito ako. Pero yung pag nasa school sila, yung parang talagang very, very, ano siya, obedient sa teacher niya. So, I think yun. Tsaka yung paglalaro niya outside and yung paggala-gala sa labas. Kasi we only go to specific locations pag kailangan or to places. If we really need to. Or minsan, pinapaano mo siya para makalabas naman siya kahit konti. Pero very, very specific kasi ayaw namin magkasakit siya or maano niya yung virus, diba? So, yun. So, next question, still from my cousin Kat. What's the first place you would want to visit right after this pandemic? I think church. Kasi hindi ako makapunta ng church right now. Ang hirap kasi minsan kailangan mo pumunta ng maaga or ano, parang alam mo yung kasi ngayon minsan parang ilan na lang ata pwede sa loob ng church, I guess. So minsan sa online na lang ako nagsisimba. So church, and gusto ko ng kumain sa favorite restaurant ko ulit. Kasi nung nag-open yung mga restaurant, kumain ako sa favorite restaurant ko. So yung favorite restaurant ko, yung Captain's Boil, gusto ko siya ulit puntahan right after this pandemic. And syempre, family! Yung sama-sama kami lahat. Kasi ngayon, we can't be together all in one place. Kasi may limit yung gathering or yung tao sa bahay. Or pag mag-visit ka or party. The next question, pag may YT channel, ilalagay ko na lang yung screen, is from my ate, Manang Irene or Karing TV. Her first question is, what makes you happy? Family and food. What makes you sad? When I can't be with my family, especially now, it's pandemic, hindi kami magkasalo-salo, like what I said a while ago. And if may nasasaktan sa pamilya ko, if they get hurt, physically, emotionally, mentally, everything, yun. Sa family ko, like husband, daughter, mom, dad, siblings, friends, mga ganon. Next question, ito na ba yung last? Tingnan natin. So, this will be the last question. So, this question will be from Manong Brad from YT family, Team Ilocano. So, his question is, paano ka nakapunta sa Canada? So, nakapunta ako sa Canada, anong tawag dito? I think, sponsored ba tawag doon? Hindi sponsored kasi pagdating ko dito, permanent resident na ako kagad. Kinuha kami ng mom ko. Yun, kinuha. Like, sponsored ba tawag kahit PR? I'm not sure. But, yeah, kinuha kami ng mom ko. So, permanent resident kami kagad when we came here dito sa Toronto. And then, last question is, Ay, teka. Tinanong din pala niya, dream mo ba talaga pumunta sa Canada? Ay, hindi ko naman talaga siya masasabing actually dream. Pero, masasabi ko na lang is, kasi nandito yung mostly yung sa side ni mom, yung mga kapatid niya and parents niya. I am more on, hindi siya dream, more on, I'm so grateful and blessed dahil nakapunta ako ng Canada because of my mom. And, syempre sa pinaka uukulan ng aking grandpa, siya talaga ang nag-ano sa amin dito. So, thank you, grandpa, lolo, mom, brother. Sila yung mga nauna dito. And, yeah. So yeah, guys. So, I'm done eating already. All in all, grabe. Hindi ako bias or anything. Pero yung itong BOODLE na box, sobrang sarap and very affordable. Hindi ka lugi. And the taste is so malinamnam, delicious. So again, guys, ilalagay ko yung mga Instagram, Facebook nila. Order kayo. And then, yung husband ng my brother-in-law, my sister's husband, Georgie, if you guys are looking for on-the-road car cleaning, please check out the service of the on-the-road car cleaning. I'll put the Instagram here. And then, just DM them and for more info. So, also, I'm gonna promote all the business of my siblings. So, Maria Diaz, she's doing the Sparkle by Mia, and her specialty is cake pops. So, right now it's going to be Halloween soon. Make sure you order from her. She makes good, cute cake pops. Very affordable also and very delicious. And also my brother's business, Cocina Flancia. Make sure to you guys check their page also. So I'm just gonna do all the screenshots here. And also, guys, don't forget our business, Casa Galisa. We don't consider each other's business as competition, but we do support and help each other. So yeah. So again, guys, to my friends, whitey friends, my family, friends here and out there, thank you for the questions. Hindi ko na na-ask lahat ng friends ko kasi medyo mabilis ang ano lang to, kasi I just decided to do this content this morning, pero na-order ko na yung food ko before, and I just wanted to do a mukbang with some Q&A. So yeah. So again, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. So if you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the red button down below and click the notification bell so you guys are updated with my video. So thank you for watching my video. See you on my next vlog video. Bye!